Hi guys, it's me here at the Teen Talks on my channel. I know it's been ages since I last posted here, like the end of March, and it's now June. Wow, that's gone quickly. So a lot to catch up on. Obviously I haven't spoken to you in ages. Let me know what's going on in your lives down there. But in case you haven't heard, some of my avid subscribers will already know the news that I'm starting a new channel. I mean, everyone that's on the Teen 2 or on my Facebook or Twitter pages will have seen the news, will know that I am now doing a new channel over at www.youtube.com/Greg's Life. That's GREGGSLIFE. So there'll be a link in the description so you can go check that out. Please go subscribe there. Now, there's loads of questions people are asking me to answer. They're like, what's happening with this channel? Are you continuing it? What's happening with Ask the Teen, the Teen Talent Takeover, all that kind of stuff. Now, there's a bit of a confusion there, and I will try and explain my best here right now for you. So Ask the Teen is stopping for now. I'm not going to transport that over to my new channel. I don't think that, I feel like it's gone past its time now that we've done so many episodes, and continuing on this new channel, if I just started at like episode whatever we're on, some people would be like, what the hell's going on? So I feel like maybe it's not the best idea to transport that show over. As for the Teen Talent Takeover, I'm not sure yet. I might transport that over and do it on Greg's Life instead. Let me know what you think. Would you like to see another series of that? Let me know in the comments below. What could I bring in for the new series? Would you like to be involved? Also, let me know in the comments below. So that's all up in the air at the minute. I haven't decided that yet. As for this channel, there might be videos from time to time, but I'm going to continue regular videos over on Greg's Life. If you go to the channel, as I said, in the links in the description, there's already a video up there now for you that gives you a bit of an idea, a taste of what's going to be happening over there. So that's really exciting. I'm really happy to be able to share that with you now. That channel is launching soon. There's no proper scheduled videos yet. They are starting very soon, and announced release date is going to be put up on that channel first, so keep your eyes peeled to that page. As usual, if you want to talk to me on Facebook or Twitter, the links will be below. Also my second channel. So I'm really excited to be able to start this new project with you guys as well. So I really hope some of you will come along and support it. If you'd like me to do a full video on this channel explaining my reasons why I'm moving on to this new channel, it's all very complex, but I will explain it if you want me to. So let me know. Do you want the reasons? Do you want to know what's going on? Let me know down there, and if you do, then I'll be sure to let you know as soon as I can. So thank you for watching another video. I hope you'll all subscribe. Go tell all your friends. I mean, whether you've been on my channel a week or 2 years or 3 years now, it's nearly 3 years, then I will message you if I can. I'm going to message as many people as I can. I've got a list of some of my most active subscribers over time, people that have commented on my videos, and I'm going to go through that whole list and message all of you that still have active accounts and say, hey, look at my new channel, come check it out, please subscribe, because I'd love to have you over there. But for now, if you've seen this video, please go and subscribe, maybe comment on the channel or whatever, or comment on the new video over there, so let me know that you have joined me with the new project. And I'm really excited to share it with you. If you've got ideas for what you'd like to see over there, let me know on that channel as well. So please go subscribe, and I'll see you over there soon with loads more videos, something like 3 times a week. But for all of the details, check the video on that page right now. See you later, guys.